Hey sugar swappers, just look at this amazing frothy cappuccino which can be made in seconds, literally in seconds, and this is the perfect keto breakfast. It's an immunity booster, zero carb, gluten free, sugar free, vegan, and totally yummy in taste too. So let's just start making this. So let's take 1 tablespoon of MadCoffee Gold, and I'm adding a little bit of sweetener. Sweetener is completely optional. Then add a little bit of a tablespoon of hot boiling water and whisk it with a frother for 5 to 8 seconds. And once it's done, just add a cup of more hot boiling water to it and whisk it again for 10 to 15 seconds. You can do this whole process in a blender also. Put the MadCoffee sweetener and hot boiling water and blend it. Your perfect MadCoffee is ready. Perfect keto breakfast is ready. I'm adding a little bit of cream. If you don't want cream, or if you're a vegan, don't add it. You can just, it doesn't need any kind of milk also, coconut milk or almond milk. You don't need anything. You have everything packed in this 1 tablespoon of MadCoffee, and it takes care of you for at least 4 hours in your keto journey. Just drizzle a little bit of cream and enjoy. If you have loved this video, please do like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you.